All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to put up these Lumary Permanent Lights 2. I'm going to give you a couple little tips along the way. These lights are flipping awesome. If you don't have these lights, I will have some of these down in my description if you want to check them out. These lights do like 5,000 million things. All right, maybe not that much, but they do a lot. You can set them for automatic time, when to turn on, when to turn off. You can set them for different colors. I can make them all white, all blue, all green, like 50,000 million different colors. Enjoy the video. All right, let's see what all comes in this box. Now I got the 150 foot set. So if you get different size sets, you're gonna get different amount of lights. It's like a little quick start guide right here. It says, put the lights from the edge of your house around 2 to 4 inches. I don't know, I think I'm gonna try 3 inches. The first thing you're gonna wanna try to look into is where you wanna plug these in at. So you're gonna want either end by a plug, or if you don't end by a plug, you gotta realize you're gonna put a extension cord on the end to get it there. Leave me a comment down below why you guys are deciding to put these on your house, or why you're looking into that. Are you like me and can't stand putting Christmas lights up every year? These look really, really awesome. Man, I hate putting Christmas lights up. I hope these things last, because I'm always afraid I'm gonna fall off my roof. All right, and then this box is everything else. It does come with a remote, so you don't have to use that app. If you want all the features, the app is gonna help. And I'm sure you can do a lot on that and make it look quite awesome. And you got all these little pieces that are going to, I think these are what you can put in between each light. If like the wire starts sagging, part of the plug. Then you got a million different little screws. You got screws for each one of these little extra sticky pads. I got short screws, long screws. All right, this is one of the first things I'm doing, is actually just these lights that come in the box. Yeah, there's actually 2 sections in each one, which is really nice in case I don't need that whole long thing of lights. And I'm gonna measure these here in a second, but they're pretty much wound up like this. I unhook them because it seems like it's way, way easier to. You don't wanna start trying to put them up like this. You'll have a big tangled mess. They're really easy to get untangled. I just kind of drop them on the ground there. Just pull them around a little bit. They all untangle real easy. At least that's what I think. It's gonna be easier to start putting them up when they're like that. Then I'm gonna just work one section at a time. First, I'm gonna plug all these in together just to make sure they're all working, make sure like maybe even the app or the remote control works. I measured out one, like I said, these come with, there's like 2 sections in each box. So each little section is 25 foot long. So when you put them together, it's gonna make 50 foot. So it's like I said, each box contains 50 foot of lights. So in between each light, you got from the center to the center of the light, looks like you have 19.5 inches from center to center. Now, let me hook all of these back together. I probably should have did that before I just put them out all over my driveway. So I don't know. Maybe you should plug them all together, then try them out, and then put them out all over your driveway. That's why I'm making this video. All right, now this is that plug, and there's another piece there that has like a button on it. I just hooked them together. I wanted to see how long that was. And that is it's a little over 15 foot. All right, before I forget to show you, I do want to show you the one comes with an end cap. So it'd be nice to use this one on the end. I mean, I guess you could always take this cap off and put it on the end of any of them, but it's kind of hooked on there. So just to show you that, it actually says end cap right there. And another nice thing I've noticed with these, because I've seen on other lights, I'm sure they did this to make this easy. This little piece on the bottom will slide that way, and it will slide the other way. It goes both ways. Since this slides both ways, I can start at the end or I could start at the beginning. Doesn't matter where you start. I'm probably gonna start at the end because I think this 150 foot's gonna go, I already did all this measuring. I think it's gonna go the way I want it to go. I might have a little bit extra, so we'll see what it looks like at the end. All right, put 2 AA batteries in this remote, and then it just worked, which is good. So I just wanted to make sure that would work. I didn't have to pair it or nothing. Then I did download the app, and there will be a little plus sign in the top right. You push that plus sign, and then you have to do this when your lights are plugged in. It pretty much just picked it right up. I had to click on a little symbol of the lights, and now it's connected to them. That wasn't that hard. I think I was thinking into it just a little too much, but don't overthink it, people. All right, I don't know if you can see these, but I got the app hooked up, and they're all red, which is cool. Let's try yellow. Yellow works, green works. Yeah, I can see them better when I change the color. Oh, I can't wait till it gets dark out. These things are gonna be flipping awesome. All right, here goes nothing. I'm gonna start at the end. So I'm gonna grab the one that says end cap. All right, I'm about ready to go up. Like I said, I'm gonna drill a screw into each one of my lights. You guys don't have to do that. If you wanna just trust the sticky stuff, it does have that it has that 3M sticky stuff. And I see a lot of people just stick them under their eaves, and it must work. So I'm taking some cleaning stuff up though, because I'm going to put that little sticky one in the middle. So I'm going to clean off my soffit where that goes and then stick it there. I have a little bag right here hooked onto me so I can have my drills connected, a little rag. I don't know, just something you might want to think of. And did I show you I did make this? This is like 3.5 inches wide. So whatever you want to put your lights at, I just made a little piece of cardboard so I could easily measure each one. I recommend having somebody hold the bottom of your ladder. Do not blame me if you fall and bust your neck. This will hook on here. That's what I was hoping. Good. All right, I am gonna use this sticky stuff to get it started. I got my measuring device. All right, once I get this all figured out, this should go way quicker. There, 3.5 inches. I should have told you, I got the shorter, there's 2 different size screws in there. You got short ones and long ones. I got the short ones. And it's a number 2 Phillips. Oh, good. That went in real easy. Nice. I don't know, man. That sticks up there good. I didn't even clean that little section. All right, this is how I'm doing it. Real simple. These here I did screw in, like I said, and then I put that little tab, it just sticks right up in there. It's actually pretty simple. It's gonna take some time, but really simple. So you could put a screw in them too if you want, but I don't think I'm gonna screw them in. All right, let me put a few more up and I'll get back with you. Cleany clean in the middle. When you're putting these up, make sure your little mounting bracket is on there centered. I am screwing up places like this in the corner. That one there's in the corner, just to make sure. I don't want that to fall and this wire hang down. I got that to look as nice as I could. Now I am gonna put one right here, and I might actually screw that one up too, because it's just a little heavier maybe. I don't know, we'll see. Where's that one screw go? I dropped a screw. Oh, look at that, right there it is. Oh, you can't take them off too easy. Oh, I don't have my flipping drill. I love these ladders. I will put a link to one of these ladders down in my description if you want to check one of these ladders out also. I just like because you can walk up both sides. They're so sturdy. The bottoms are wide. I love them. This cardboard definitely helps. These things look awesome. When you come down off the ladder, I don't even see them. I don't want to look like some crazy person that leaves his Christmas lights up all year long. Another thing I found out while you're working on this, you can kind of flatten this wire out if you want, and it would have made that lay even nicer. I've been trying to hold these up, the little sticky things, for about 5 to maybe 8 seconds each. Good pressure on them. I don't know, all I gotta say is so far installing these, it's really not that hard. Just takes some time. The one thing that Luminary could do better is maybe just send you somebody to help you put them up. So far, I like it. If these things last me 5 or 10 years, I'll be happy. Hopefully longer. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I give you a couple of tips on how to put up these awesome Lumary Permanent Lights 2. This one here is called Firefly Night, I think. It looks pretty flippin' awesome. I like it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please leave me a comment down below and hit that subscribe button to help support this channel. God bless and have a great day.